Hi, this is Roger from Boatshed, Southampton, just having a look around this German motor cruiser's interior. So to the starboard here is a galley and access down here to the engine room that you can see pictures of online, and coming through into the saloon area with a large table and seating. There's a stove, and coming through to the four-peak cabin, which currently has a bed in it. As you can see, she's being lifted aboard. There's a heads here to starboard that's currently being refurbished, so I won't show you that at the moment. And there she is looking back into the sort of wheelhouse area. If you'd like to know more about this boat, please give me a call at boatshedsouthampton.com.